Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth, and if the first time of coming across and seeing my face, you're welcome. Subscribe on my channel, click on the like button, check my videos. I have lots of wonderful videos. Please click on them, watch them. I'm sure you find them helpful, and also always remember to like my videos. Please remember to like my videos. It's actually help my YouTube algorithm, so thank you so much. So let us go straight into today's video, but before then, please, if you can hear any background noise or something, just ignore. I recently moved to a new location, and this location has been noisy. Reason why I haven't been uploading video recently, because I've been trying to study how, you know, when it is quiet and when it is noise. So right now I think it is quite okay to film. So let's get straight into this video. So today I'm talking about damaged legs and bleached legs, like legs that are already damaged and over bleached legs. So what actually prompted me to make this video is because of this is a new location. Let me just say, my former neighbor, you know, I saw her legs, like I was like, let me quickly tell you a short story. You know, I do tell you that I travel a lot, so sometimes back I traveled for about 5 days, and when I came back, when I saw her, she was so white, like she was so very white. So I was not imagining in my head, like, what could she have mixed together, like tubes and oils and serums she could have mixed together to make her become that white within 5 days. For me to say white, you just know that it is more than normal cream. It is just over mixing of too much serums and chemicals and everything. And I was like, well, we didn't say anything. I was looking. So months later, it not even take time, like a month to 2 months later, then if you see her legs, her skin, she has stretch marks here, like this place. She has stretch marks. I don't use stretch marks. So when you want to see stretch marks, I don't use fast products. I don't have stretch marks. So she has stretch marks somewhere here. She have big stretch marks that looks like lions. I don't even know what to call it. Bleached legs. Like, I have to walk up to her and just tell her that these creams you are mixing together is what is giving you all these things. Because, you know, she's a very good person to me, and I can't keep looking at. Not everybody know that I have a YouTube channel where I do have my opinion, because in reality I don't even say anything. When I see people, I just look at them. But my channel is where I do air my opinion. I don't really move to people and tell them use this, use that, use this. No, I don't do that. So I told her this, and she told me she actually mentioned a whole lot of tubes and serum. Some I don't even know their name. Like, let me say some I've not seen before. I've only like heard about it or something. I don't even know. Like, too much serum, she mixed them together and it gave her. I'll put a picture of what the legs look like here so you can see. It's not a nice one at all. So please stop using too much products. Stop using too much. I think since this problem started, since when we started doing too much pre-mixing, like you scrub, you want to pre-mix it, face cream, you want to pre-mix it, cream, you want to pre-mix it, moisturizer, you want to pre-mix it. Less moisturizer, be more SPF, you want to. Too much pre-mixing is actually not good. Like, seriously, it is not good at all. So now let me just cut that. Let's go straight to how to repair these damaged legs. Like, how to just, the deed has been done already, right? How do you make it look better again? So yeah, I have it here. But one thing is, stop using harsh creams on your legs. Like, it is damaged already. Why is he using cream on it? Why? It is like, it's like you're pouring chemical on let me just say injury. Like, you're putting chemical on injury. Why would you do that? It is damaged. Legs like this are not healthy legs again. They are damaged legs, so you don't need to be using harsh creams on them anymore. Let them rest. At this point, all you need is moisturizer. Like, just moisturize it. Like, just keep it moisturized, like, frequently. So number 2 is use occlusive moisturizers. And when I mean occlusive, I mean shea butter, I mean avocado butter, I mean mango butter, I mean Vaseline, I mean cocoa butter, like butters in one word, and Vaselines. So this is what you should be using right now. Don't use any other thing. And another one you can use is coconut oil. I mentioned coconut oil because I noticed coconut oil is kind of thick in consistency. Anytime I use this, my almond oil on my lips, I do notice that it do dry out faster. But anytime I use oils like coconut oil on my lips, then they do stay longer. So that's why if you're acne prone skin, don't use coconut oil on your face if you're acne prone skin, because it's actually comedogenic. It will clog your pores. So yeah, for treatment, coconut oil is very good. Just because coconut oil is not good for your face doesn't mean it's not good for other parts of your body. I use it on other part of my body too, but not on my face. So you can use coconut oil. So a mixture you can actually do is Vaseline, shea butter, coconut oil, and if you can get mango butter, good, mix them together and apply it on your legs. So these are moisturizers you should be working with right now. Don't use water-based moisturizer like Nivea, like E45. You need occlusive, like you need borders to work on your legs. So now let's move to the next one. During daytime, please always use SPF on your leg. SPF is not meant for your face. You know, this is the SPF I'm using. This is the Skin Doctor SPF 80 UVA UVB eye protection, and it is moisturizing truly. But one thing about it is that it might give you white cast if you don't apply it properly. So how do I apply mine? Is that I am using face oil. So I think my face oil do help me to absorb it, and the face oil I'm using is this almond oil. It's actually non-comedogenic because I have acne prone skin. So if you have acne prone skin, so you might want to follow what I use. I use this almond oil on my face. And another oil you can use is sunflower oil. It is also non-comedogenic, so you can try sunflower oil too. So go in with your SPF and it won't give you too much white cast. So SPF is not for your face and your neck alone. Please, you can use it on your hands too, and use it on your feet. You know, your feet do a lot of work, moving you from here to that place and all that. So you want to use SPF on your feet to protect it from the sun, especially if you are using any, just protect your leg, not only your face also. So another thing is, let's go to nighttime routine now. That's all for daytime. Let's go to nighttime routine now. Apply treatment cream. Like after bathing, don't apply your cream on your legs still. In fact, stop that cream for now. Even on your body, don't use it. Use moisturizers. It should like just let your body, because any cream that can make your legs to be this damaged, then is a warning to your body also. Just stop it and moisturize your skin very well. So nighttime, apply treatment cream. If you have any treatment cream you are applying, good. Nighttime is the best time to apply your treatment cream. But if you don't have any, then this is a quick recipe. Like I got this from a PRIMROSE friend, so yeah, I can vouch for it. This is Vit Gold corrector oil. I'll put a picture on the screen, like yellow like this. You can use the Vit Gold corrector oil. And if you have any good substitute, you can also use it, but this is the one I know very well. Then Oliver tube and Pharmadem tube. This is the three things you need: Vit Gold, Oliver, and Pharmadem. These three, that's all you need. Then how do you do it? A full bottle of Vit Gold corrector oil in a bowl, half tube of Oliver and half tube of Pharmadem. If you are using tube of Pharmadem, half, and if you are using the cup, half also. And after that, you whip it together. There is this whipping machine you can use for cream mixers. I'll put a picture here. I don't know if I can get it. I'll put a picture here. So use this to whip it till you get a creamy consistency, like to give you a whitish creamy consistency. Then apply this on your feet every night. If you don't get this recipe, then just scroll back and watch it again. That is a very good one you can use, like, and it's even affordable. You know what you are mixing yourself. You're like, you can be at peace knowing that I know what I mixed. You understand, like that kind of feeling. So after that, after applying your treatment cream, you have to apply a very thick layer of your Vaseline mixture. If you mix the Vaseline, shea butter, mango butter, and coconut oil mixture, then after applying your treatment cream, just go on and apply a thick layer on your legs, and after that wear your socks on it. If you don't have a sock, this is the time you have to get one. Even if you're not suffering from damage and bleached legs, you just want to wear it because it helps keep your skin moisturized. Like these days you just have to keep your feet moisturized. You want fine legs, don't you? All these Asians, all these Chinese, Koreans, if you watch their movies very well, you see they don't joke with their socks, especially nighttime. They do varies whenever they want to go to bed. So always put on your socks after bathing, after doing all your skincare product when you're going to bed. It will actually help your skin, help the skin on your legs to look soft and moisturized. So please do this and you definitely thank me later. I am very sure of that. It is not a fast 7 days product, but with time, I'm telling you, you see a huge difference and big results. And after you are done, please don't go back to that cream that damage your leg like this. Just take your time, use good products. I've reviewed a lot of good lotions on my channel. Please check them out and pick one out of them and follow the instructions too, please. And please, if you're not using SPF right now, this is the time you have to know that SPF is very, very important. Get SPF and use supplements. If you are big on it, they are definitely going to help your skin. And I'm telling you, if you are big on some supplements, good, just drink lots of water. And that'll be all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the subscribe button, like my video, comment, and tell people about my channel. Don't keep it to yourself, please. I will appreciate that so much. And thank you to someone that has been commenting consistently on my channel. Her name is Touch Not. Thank you so much. There is also this other lady. Her name is Joy. I think Joy Okafor. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm sorry if I did not pronounce right. Her name is Joy Okafor. Thank you so much. I really appreciate these two people. They've been like, I don't even know them from anywhere, but anytime I drop my video, they are always commenting, always like, it do make me want to do more. Like I feel motivated and like you do motivate me, you do encourage me. Thank you so much. I appreciate. And that'll be all for today's video. Keep taking care of your skin. Use your SPF, protect yourself from the sun and stay too long inside the sun. Drink lots of water. A moisturized skin is everything. Like everything. Moisturized skin, even if you're having acne on your face and any other thing, when your skin is moisturized, like people will even notice all those things because a moisturized skin is a glowing skin. So keep your skin moisturized. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.